Hi, so we're here today at these two twinning abandoned bridges. One's a railroad bridge, and the other, I'm not quite sure what it is. Well, what kind of bridge it is, because I'm not able to get up there so easily. That would be this big bridge right in front of us. But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a walk and take a look at the bridges, go up on the railroad bridge, and give it a look. I looked and looked, and unfortunately I am just not equipped today to tackle this bridge. So we're gonna do the other one, which is right here. Much easier to get up. Now, maybe that bridge is accessible from the other side, I'm not entirely sure. But I am a little pressed for time today, so we'll just do this and call it a day. Okay. See, here's the river right next to us, and we're gonna climb up this conveniently placed pallet. I'm gonna wipe the lens off first, of course. Both my feet on the pallet. My foot on the bar here. I'm gonna swing over. Just like that. We're on top of the bridge. You can see there's some erosion and collapse of the deck in some spots. But otherwise, this bridge deck is in very good condition for the pedestrian. I'm sure you wouldn't want to run a train on it or anything. Or we could take a look at the other bridge, covered one. It's right there. Below us we have some active tracks. And right here's our view of the covered bridge.